In this video, I will show you how to reset a WP website so that it will be like fresh installation. Let's say you have a website and you messed up something in your website and you want to build it from scratch. So all you have to do is just go to the WordPress dashboard and then you have to install a plugin. So click on add new plugin and you have to search reset WP and just click install. So this is the plugin we are going to use. Just click on install. So it's installing. So after install, you have to just activate the plugin and then just click on that WP reset. You can also go that setting from tools and then WP reset. Scroll down to the bottom and you have to just type the reset text here, and if you want to reactivate the WP plugin you can check mark that one. So I'm not going to use that plugin again, so I just uncheck that plugin option, and after that you can also reactivate the current theme and reactivate the all active plugin. So I'm not gonna use this plugin. So after put the text here, just we have to click on reset site and then reset WordPress. It will take few minutes to reset everything. So it's done. That was the website before, and if we refresh the website you can see the website is completely fresh installation. So like that you can easily reset the WordPress website.